Hi guys, my name's Theodore and today I'll be educating you on why wearing seatbelts is so important, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. Dude, that party was so lit.
I can't believe how lit that party was.
Right.
So, should we go now?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
But before we go, do you reckon we should put on seatbelts?
No, bro.
Like,
What are we,
safety.
nerds? Imagine wearing seatbelts. Oh, you little nerd putting on a seatbelt. Huh? What are you, 5? All right, let's go.
See, this is why we wear seatbelts. Yep, if you're wondering which person was me, I'm Theodore in the back. Exactly, I live through there because I wore a seatbelt, guys. But just because your friends say it's cool to not wear a seatbelt doesn't mean that you don't have to put on your seatbelt. It's changed my life forever, guys, so wear a seatbelt.
Wanna know why I know? GBE I go. Wanna let bread, let's go. Wanna talk